Hello, I'm Christine Liu, a researcher with the California Child Welfare Indicators Project, or CWIP, at the University of California, Berkeley School of Social Welfare. Our public website, a collaboration with the California Department of Social Services, provides detailed information about California's child welfare system. This video tutorial will explain how to drill down into state and federal measures to access customized data reports from the CWIP website starting from our home page. Please note that data on the site currently will likely differ from what you see in this video as we refresh all values each quarter. Clicking on the Measures button, we start from the Classic View Dynamic Reporting interface. Let's explore the different types of summary reports you can view. The options you have will be different based on if you select one of the federal measures or one of the state AB 636 measures that is not also a federal measure. Let's take a look at one of each to demonstrate what the report options are. Child maltreatment allegation and substantiation rates is a state AB 636 measure, but not a federal measure. Clicking on its link takes you to the first index page for this measure. From here you can see that the only available option for a summary table is the California CWS Outcomes Summary Table. To view the table, hit the button, then click the next box at the bottom right of the page. On the next page, you will select the summary table year that you would like to view by selecting the time period from the drop-down box and clicking Finish. As you can see, you are now viewing a summary table that includes count and percentage data for California and all individual counties for the state Child Maltreatment Allegations and Substantiation Rates measure. You'll notice that links are available at the top of the page to go back to the report index, to start over on the report page for this specific measure, go back to the form where you selected the desired time period, to view the measure methodology, or to view this table as an Excel file. Going back to the report index, let's take a look at what summary table options are available if we select a federal measure, such as the C11 reunification measure. With a federal measure, you have two options for viewing summary tables: Federal CFSR Measure Summary Table and California CWS Outcomes System Summary Table. Both links include count and percentage data for California and for all individual counties in California. However, the federal summary table includes data from child welfare, probation, and other agency types, while the California summary table includes only data from child welfare agencies. Clicking through either option takes us through the same process we just went through for the allegations and substantiations measure, ending with the table of count and percentage summary data for California and all counties for the selected year on this specific measure. A link to a methodology page appears on the first index page on all reports. Let's look at the methodology link on this page. The methodology section for all reports includes the following information. The notes on the source link contains information on how the data are processed and where they are derived from. The main text of the methodology page provides a detailed explanation on how the data for this specific measure are calculated. The bottom of the page has links to descriptions of the variables and filters available for this measure. To look at a specific variable, click its link. Let's look at gender as an example. This page explains how the gender variable is coded and provides other information about using this variable in data reports. Links appear at the top of the page to either return back to the main methodology page or close this window, bringing you back to the first index page of the report you were viewing. This video tutorial should have provided you with instructions on how to navigate from the dynamic report interface to the summary data tables for state and federal measures. It should also have oriented you to the layout and features of the report index pages, including the information available regarding methodology. View subsequent videos to learn more about creating customized drill-down reports.